Hi, I'm Kyle Chalmers. Today I'm partnering with Solar Power Nation to bring solar energy to my home. Let's walk through the installation process. They've perfected it by doing over 30,000 installations across Australia. For my home, I've chosen Canadian solar panels. They come with a whopping 25-year product and 30-year performance warranty. The process starts with a pre-install assessment where the team grabs some important details over the phone. Solar Power Nation's energy consultants analysed my home's layout and energy bill to design the best solar solution. Then comes the installation. The team carefully mount the panels in the correct place, ensuring they get plenty of sun exposure. It's impressive to see how efficiently they work as a team. Next, they integrate a solar battery for energy storage. This is crucial for maintaining power supply regardless of weather conditions. Their attention to detail here is one of the reasons I trust them. The final step is system activation and testing. Solar Power Nation ensures everything functions perfectly. Their commitment to quality made it an easy choice for me to say yes to being their brand ambassador. And there you have it, a simple, efficient solar and battery installation in 4 steps. Thanks to the entire team at Solar Power Nation, I don't have to think about high energy bills and blackouts and can keep focused on chasing more medals in the pool. What an incredible experience. This installation was quick and seamless. It's easy to see why I choose Solar Power Nation. They truly are the champion's choice for everything solar.
Don't just trust any solar provider, trust the champion's choice in everything solar.